Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and today's topic is going to be very important for my ambitious hustlers because it is a new type of business model that is high ticket sales, and it is really brand new in the market and it's growing very fast. And so I want to share about this business with you and going to tell you all the things necessary how to start this business, and this video is going to be a step-by-step guide for you. So watch the whole video without just skipping any single part. It is going to be very important for you. So without wasting our time, let's dive right in. Before beginning with the steps, the most important point comes first: understanding what high ticket sales are. Most of people are not aware about this stuff. Usually rich people are doing this type of business. You have seen some people on Instagram like this guy who is making a lot of money. So how they are doing it and what basically is high ticket sales? Well, let me explain you. What we basically do is we try to sell a product or service which is having a very high price point. Their price range usually stays like in thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. So what you do is you sell that product, and the main point is just to earn the commission. Because the price point is high, the commission or profits you make is also very high. The key to success in high ticket sale is usually the professionalism. That is one of the most important things in this type of business, because more probably you are going to meet rich people because they are the one who usually buy expensive stuff. So you need to be professional and have a well-organized business in order to interact with these type of people. Now we are going to begin with the step-by-step guide that how you can start your own high-ticket sales business. Identify your niche. Selecting your niche is very important. Without selecting your niche, you would know that which community, which audience you are particularly targeting, and this will create a big confusion. Find a niche within the high-ticket sales industry which you are passionate about and where you can add value. Try to select only that type of niche which you think that you would be able to sell that type of stuff and you would be able to acquire such type of community. Step 2. Research your market. Once completing the step 1, the step 2 is one of the most important steps, because researching your market is very necessary. Like if you are going to sell a very expensive course of an entrepreneur or a real estate business owner, so what you need to know is that what type of people will buy it. Obviously that more probably the people who want to start business would buy it. But the point is that this course is having a big price tag. So you need to target that type of audience who are literally really making the money in the market, because the people who are broke wouldn't be able to afford it even though they want to start business. So you need to find that type of particular audience. So for that, first you need to do analytics in the market and understand the type of business you are doing. Once you're done with that, you would be able to make a nice marketing strategy which will further help you to reach your goal. Further comes our step 3, that is develop your expertise. Now I have already told that you should be very professional and well organized, because this type of business is very lucrative and you need to be in a position to be an authority and have a good responsibility for what you are doing. Now becoming a professional person is really difficult. You need to have years and years of experience. So your main focus should be on gaining knowledge and learn different types of skills. Whether it is small or it is a big point, you always need to keep in your mind. These things are the steps to success in this type of business. It's not like an IT sector or something like that you only need to focus on a big problem. You need to focus on small things in these types of business, and once you learn and once you become professional in this type of stuff, you really start to make a lot of money. Here comes the step 4, that is build your online presence. Establishing a strong online position is crucial in today's age. Make your own website, leverage some social media platforms, and try to produce valuable content like create some blogs, videos, or even podcasts. This will help you to interact with type of customers you are looking for, and you will attract them, probably leading to high sales. These efforts will help you engage and get your target audience. Nurture relationships and generate leads. What do you mean by that? Seems confusing, isn't it? So let me explain you. Whenever you meet any customer online who tries to contact with you and says you like, I want to buy this particular service or stuff you are trying to sell to him, and like you talk with him. Now there are two cases, there are two types of person. One is who is only focused on money, and he's just trying to like say that just submit me the money here and you'll get it, no any other thing. There's another type of person who asks him how you are doing, be happy with him, like ask him what are you interested in, that's amazing, your choice is amazing, gives him compliment and ask him what type of things he like to do. This will help the customers to feel more familiar and think like that this guy is better than other people. This will build a goodwill of your business in the market. So always try to be very happy and pleased while talking with your customer. Another strategy is like this is related to marketing, that is leads strategy. You need to do email marketing, webinars or promotions. Stuff like that helps a lot and it will help you gain some new customers also. Craft irresistible offers. Like how you can craft an irresistible offer. According to you, you are just affiliating that thing and it's really expensive. It's beyond your limit. You have to tell benefit and advantages of buying your product, like how it would be worthful in the later time and how rare it is and how it will help you to build your own personality. These things affects a lot and this will make the customer to buy that stuff. One more thing, I want to tell you an example also. Like you don't know anything about these stuff and you want to find a website. What you can do is you can go on Google and search about Rolex dealer. There when you click any link, any good website link, there you will find that dealers are selling a Rolex watch. What you need to do, scroll down, go at the bottom position where they usually put email and stuff like that, customer support. There would be an option called become an affiliate. Click that and you will become an affiliator. Now you will get 5% commission of every sale. Think like the watch is $20,000. You made a sale, you would be getting $1,000 for per sale of that product. Guess you sold to 20 people, you would be having $20,000 in your hand. If you give your 100%, you will win this game, even if you work for a few hours. So hope you understand and I hope this video helped you. If you want to learn from me directly, there's an Instagram page down below and I can teach you different types of stuff like drop shipping, SMMA. Particularly I am good at trading, I can help you with that also, and investing and a lot of other stuff like, as I told, high ticket sales, and I can help you gain some good knowledge. You can click that link and go to my Insta page. There DM me hustle word and you have to send that to me and I'll give you a mentorship. It totally depends on you. It doesn't matter, you can watch on my YouTube also. It's not necessary that I want to make money from my audience, but yeah, I'm trying to grow, so that's why. So that was all I want to tell in this video. Hope this video was worth your time and see you in the next video.